Okay. So 5 coins were tossed. Please note down. Already I uploaded this problem. Problem number 11. 5 coins were tossed 100 times. 5 coins were tossed 100 times. From the following outcomes, calculate expected frequency. This is a given x values, and you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up to 5 only. Okay, up to 5. Now frequency is given 2, 10, 24, 38, 18, and 8. 5 coins tossed 100 times. Fit a binomial distribution. Fit a binomial distribution. This is a problem number 11. Already I uploaded. This is the outcome when they are tossed 5 coins 100 times. So as per the probability distribution, as per the binomial distribution, what are the expected frequency? Just to fit a binomial distribution, this one. When there is a coin is tossed, one is success, another one is the failure. May I correct or wrong? Or no need to calculate that is a n into p, because it is a coin is tossed. Clearly given information. A coin is 5 coins are tossed 100 times. The following are the expected frequency. So you are required to calculate and find the probability distribution on the basis of the binomial distribution. What are the expected frequency on the basis of the binomial distribution? So this is generally what is this n into p, where mean is equal. But here no need to calculate p value and q value, because it is a coin is tossed. It means p is equal to 1 by 2 and q is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. So it means it is equal to 1 by 2. P is equal to 1 by 2 and Q is equal to 1 by 2. This is correct or wrong? Sai Kaushik? Sai Chaudhary? Sai Chaudhary? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Likit, this is correct or wrong? Because it is clearly mentioned 5 coins are tossed. One coin, either one is a success, another one is a failure. So it means P is equal to 1 by 2, Q is equal to also 1 by 2. No need to calculate that is a n into P values on this, because it is one is the success, another one is the failure. Simply 5 coins were tossed 100 times. The expected frequency is given. Fit a binomial distribution. What are the expected frequency? This is actually your question. So P is equal to 1 by 2 and Q is equal to 1 by 2. Here, what is the probability distribution? Is equal to n combination of R or X into P to the power of R and Q to the power of n minus R. R nothing but relative frequency. Don't confuse all these things. These are the relative frequencies. Okay. So this is the expected frequency on the basis of the binomial distribution. These are the expected frequency on the basis of the binomial distribution. Expected frequency within a bracket binomial. Today will be finished binomial distribution. Tomorrow I will start Poisson distribution with this. So fun. X is equal to, that is the first one is the 0. You know the formula, just I wrote here. So what is the n? N is equal to N is equal. What is the value? How many kinds? Number.
Five.
How many times?
Five.
How many kinds? Yes. 5. So N combination of R. First one is a 0. Is equal to, that is the 5 combination of 0 into 1 by 2 whole to of 0 into 1 by 2 whole to of 5 minus 0. So it is equal to 5 combination of 0. What is the value? 5 combination of 0. ఫైనల్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో కంపల్సరీ ఒకటి బైనామల్ గాని పాయిజన్ గాని వస్తుంది. 10 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్. What is the value of 5 combination of 0? Yes, what is the value? 5 combination of 0. Sai?
1, sir. 5001.
5 combination 0 is equal to 1. 1 into 1 by 2 whole to of 0. What is the value? 1 by 2 whole to of 0. What is the value?
1, sir.
1. Okay. Into 1 by 2 whole to of 5. What is the value? 0.031.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is equal to, that is a 0.031. 0.031. Next, x is equal to 1. So 5 combination of 1 into 1 by 2, 1 into 1 by 2 whole to of 5 minus 1. So 5 combination of 1. This is the value. 5 combination of 1 equal to 5 into 0.5 into 1 by 2, 5 minus 4. So 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. 0.0625. It is equal to 0.156. 0.156. Next, P x is equal to 2. 5 combination of 2, 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2 whole to of 5 minus 2. So 5 combination 2. 5 combination 2, that is the 10 into 1 by 2 whole to of 2. 0. This is the 0.25 into 1 by 2, 5 minus 3 into 5. 0.125. So 0.3125. Correct values? These values are correct or wrong? Please cross check it again. These values are correct or wrong?
Correct, sir.
X is equal to 3. So 5 combination of 3, 1 by 2, whole power of 3 into 1 by 2, 5 minus 3. So is equal to 5 combination 3, 10 into, so 0.125 into 0.5 into 0.5, 5 minus 3, 2. So 0.25. Into 0.125 into 0.25. So 0.3125, correct or wrong? These are the values, correct or wrong? Please check it. Yes. These values are correct. These values. Yes, Likit. By combination 4 will get 5 into 0.0 0.0625 into 2.5. Zero 0.156. These values are correct or wrong? Yes, anyone?
They are correct, sir.
Okay, next. Px is equal to 5. 5 combination 5 into 1 by 2 whole power of 5 into 1 by 2 whole power of 5 minus 5. So what is the value? 5 combination 5. 1 into 1 by 2 whole power of 5 point. Zero 0.125 into 1 by 2 whole power of 0. What is the value? 1 by 2 whole power of 0. Anyone?
1, sir.
1. This is 0.125. What is this total? What is this total?
Sir, can you tilt the camera a little down?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is this total?
Sir, the last one is 0.031.
0,
0.031.
031, sir.
031,
031, sir.
031. So these are the correct values, please check it. 0.031, 0.156, 0.3125, 0.3125, 0.1562, 0.031. These values are correct or wrong? This is important. Zero point zero three one plus 0.156 plus 0.3125 plus 0.3125 plus 0.1562 plus 0.031. Yes, equal to what? Equal to 1. This is the expected probability. Now, what is the expected frequency on the basis of the binomial distribution? Now, total, what is the total? 2, 10, 24, 38, 18, and 8. This is equal to total frequency is the 100. Probability always 1. So, 2, 10, 24, 38, 18, and 8. That is equal to 100. Now, on the basis of the binomial distribution, the expected frequency, that is 100 into 0.031 is equal to. Now, 100 into 0.0156. Now, 100 into 0.3125. 100 into 0.3125. This is 100 into 0.1562. 100 into 0.031. What is this? 100 into 0.031. What is the value? 3.1. This is, I think, 15.6. This is 31.25. This is 31.25. This is 15.62. And this is 0.0, sorry, 31. 3.1, 15.6, 30.25, 31.25, 15.62, 3.1. 3.1 plus 15.6 plus 31.25 plus 31.25 plus 15.62 plus 3.1. So this is equal to 100. So expected frequency on the basis of the binomial distributions are 3.1, 31.25, 31.25, 15.62 and 3.1. So what you are understanding? It will be called as a bell-shaped curve. So binomial distribution always comes as a bell-shaped curve. It means it is increasing and same way it is a down. Exactly will be increasing and same down forward. This is called as a bell shape. Expected frequency are 31.1, 15.6, 31.25, 31.25, 15.6 and 3.1. 3.1, 15.6, 31.25, 31.25, 15.62 and 3.1. These are the expected frequency on the basis of the binomial distribution. When a 5 kinds are tasked, the success rate is the expected frequency is like this. Okay, did you write? Yes, completed. No
Yes.
response. What's about others?
Sir, can you keep your camera little bit up?
Up.
Yeah, sir.
Now it is okay.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So one question is compulsory. Either may be binomial, either may be Poisson. In semester examination law. If you finish it, please tell me. We'll do one more problem with this. What is the problem number 12? Completed? అయిపోయిందా?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, problem number that is 12. What is the problem 12? The screw produced by a certain machine were checked by the examining example of, that is a sample of 128. The following table shows the distribution for 128 sample according to the number of defective items they contain. So X values is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Frequency is given, that is on the basis of the sample 7, 6, 19, 6, 19, 35, 30, 27, 7, 1. Here What is the P value? Anyone? What is the Q value? Please tell me, anyone. What is the P value? What is the Q value? Today will be close. What is the P value? What is the Q value? Yes. Vicky, what is the P value? Please read that question. What are the information is available?
The screw produced by a certain
Machine.
machine was checked by examining samples of 128. The
Yes.
following table shows the distribution of 128 samples according to the numbers of defective items taken.
Yes. So here, please, can you identify what is the P value, what is the Q value? Always in the probability, one is the success, another one is the failure. Defective is the failure. May I correct or wrong? One is the success, another one is the failure. Here, defective as given. So it means Q value is the defective, another one is the success. You take 1 by 2, 1 by 2. If it is nothing is mentioned, the screw is nothing mentioned. In this case, to know the P value, Q value, just you go for the mean. Why mean? In the binomial distribution, in the probability distribution, the mean is equal to n into P. Here defective already given. It means it is there is a one is a defective, another one is a success. Both together always one in the binomial, in the probability. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 always success. That is the total must be equal to 1. So already given. If it is nothing is mentioned, what are the success, what are the failure or defective, undefective. If it is not mentioned, then to know the P value, just mean is equal to n into P. Just you apply this formula. But already in this case, it is already given. There is defective are taken. It means that is a success. Therefore, P is equal to 1 by 2 and Q is equal to 1. Don't confuse. Don't do again calculated sigma fx divided by n. Don't do all these things. Simply apply this formula. Okay. What is the n? N is equal to? Yes, n.
7, I guess, sir.
7. Very good. The P is equal to 1 by 2. Q is equal to 1 by 2. P and X2 is equal to R. It means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the probability on the basis of the defective. There is a 128 sample. It means N is equal to cap 128 samples. Okay. This is the on the basis of the when the sample drawn there on the basis of the defective. This is the 128 their frequency. On the basis of the binomial distribution, what are the expected frequency distribution? This is the actual they took from the sample 128. These are the various samples and frequency distribution. On the basis of the binomial distribution, what are the expected frequency? So same that is now see that is a P x is equal to R or x is equal to 0. We start with one. So formula I will write again. N combination of R into P to R of R minus Q to R of N minus R. Here first one. There is x is equal to 0. It means 7 combination of 0, 1 by 2, 4 to of 0 into 1 by 2, 7 minus 0. What is the value? 7 combination 0. What is the value? 1. 1 into 1 by 2 whole power of 0. What is the value? 1 into 1 by 2 whole power of 7. Zero point 0.109. It means 0.0109. Correct? Yes, these values are correct or wrong? Swastika? Manasa, are you there? Manasa,
Yes, sir.
this value correct or wrong?
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
1 by 2 the power of 7, it's not 0.01.
What is the value? That's why I asked you.
It's 0.0078.
0.0078.
78.
So here also 0.0078. Is it?
Yes, sir.
So it is correct. Likit.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Next. P x is equal to what is the value? Next value 1. So 7 combination of 1 by 2 whole power of 1 into 1 by 2 7 minus 1. So 7 combination of 1. What is the value? 7 combination of 1, that is equal to 7 into 1 by 2 whole power of 1, 0.25 into 0.5 whole power of 6, 0.25 whole power of 6. What is the value? Otherwise you take directly here.
Sir, 0.015.
0.015.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 0. So 1 by 2 whole power of 1, 0.5. So this is equal to what is the value?
0.0525.
0.0525. Next, P probability x is equal to 2. It means 7 combination of 2, 1 by 2 whole power of 2 into 1 by 2, 7 minus 2. What is the value? What is the value? Yes. Vikit, what is the value? 7 combination to 21 into 0.25 into 0.03125. 0.164. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, x is equal to 3. 7 combination of 3 into 1 by 2 whole power of 3. 1 by 2, 7 minus 3. So 7 combination of 3. 7 combination 3 is 35 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. 0.125 into 0.0625. 0.273. Now Px is equal to 4. So 7 combination of 4 into 1 by 2 whole to the 4, 1 by 2, 7 minus 4. So 7 combination 4, 7 combination 4 equal to 35 into 0.0625 into 0.125 equal to 0.273. Px is equal to 5 equal to 7 combination of 5 into 1 by 2 whole to the 5 into 1 by 2, 7 minus 5. Zero 0.164. Check it. These values are correct or not? Please check it. Next to P x is equal to 6. 7 combination of 6. 1 by 2 whole power of 6. 1 by 2 whole power of 7 minus 6. This value 0.0525. Px is equal to 7. 7 combination 7. 1 by 2 whole power of 7. 1 by 2, 7 minus 7 is 0.0078. Please check it last three. Last three values. Last three are correct. Last three values. Yes, sir, Likit. Likit,
Yes, sir.
these values are correct or wrong?
Sir, I cannot see last one, sir.
0.0078.
Let me check.
See, already it is 2. Then again will be this value. Again, this will be this value. Again, this will be this value. It is called as a binomial distribution, always bell shaped. Zero point 0.0078 plus 0.0525 plus 0.164 plus 0.273 plus 0.273 plus 0.164 plus 0.0525 plus 0.0078. 1. Yes. Correct or wrong? Sakshi? Sakshi, values are correct or wrong?
Yes, sir. Doing the last two ones. Check.
So what's about this one? 0.164. It is correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please, one fundamental simple logic. 0.273. Again 0.273. It means the next value come here. Again next value come here. Again next value will come here. If you remember this logic, it is easy to do. That's why this value will become as a increasing and same way it will be come down. This is the Bell distribution in expected frequency on the basis of the binomial distribution. 128 into 0.078 equal to. So 128 into 0.0078 is equal to yes, tell me. Next. So these are the expected frequency: 9.98, 6.72, 20.99, 34.91, 20.99, 9.99. This is the actual frequencies. On the basis of the binomial distribution, these are the expected frequencies. Yes. Please, understood or not? Please tell me any doubts. Do you have any doubts in binomial distribution? Expected frequencies. Likit completed?
Yes, sir.
This, please check this value is correct or not. This total 9.98 into 6.72 sorry plus 6.72 plus 20.99 plus 34.94. Check again. This total must be 128.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Tomorrow, do you have any information regarding holiday?